Hi, friends. Those who come along to Whangarei must definitely visit Whangarei waterfalls. It's a lovely spot. We went to the area, and there's close to the waterfall itself, the car park, and you can hear the waterfall or by. And then there's quite a lot of walkway through it. You should go around it to see the beautiful scenes, but definitely we can see the water which is flowing is then coming and falling into an area where it looks like a pool, and there people are swimming and there are ducks and so many things. And then you walk through the Kauri forest, and then you will come through it, and you'll see a very old tree which is very widespread, and its branches are even touching the ground, and some are even supported by other trees. So don't miss the spot. It is really lovely. And a verse to quote was from Genesis 18 chapter. The Lord appeared to Abraham near the great trees of Mamre while he was sitting at the entrance to his tent in the heat of the day. Abraham looked. He was sitting under the great tree of Mamre, and when Abraham looked, he saw three people and three men standing nearby. When he saw them, he hurried from the entrance of his tent to meet them, and he bowed low to the ground. Then he said, "If I have found favor in your eyes, my Lord, do not pass your servant by. Let a little water be brought, and then you may all wash your feet and rest under the tree. And let me get you something to eat so that you can be refreshed, and then go on your way now that you have come to your servant." And the three of them, they replied, "Very well, do as you say." And so Abraham quickly went to his tent, got food for the three men. So it was all under the great tree of Mamre. Here I saw this big great tree, and then I remembered of the great tree of Mamre. Now I'm going to put some clips related to the waterfall and our walks, and you can have a look and enjoy it. Can you see my sister under the big old tree? And this tree is branched to so many branches. Can you see that? And on to my left side, one of the branch is resting on the ground. See, it rests on the ground. And when I turn behind and go to my right side, too, there are so many branches, and they are going that way. And some of them are resting on the ground, some of them are being supported by other trees. This is Whangarei waterfalls, and there's quite a bit of walk around the waterfalls, and you can see everything. And if you can see how the water falls into and where the water is gathered together. And we'll be going around to take some more shots, and then I'll put it together. It's just flowing from here, and there's a bridge which connects to the other side. And here's another view of the waterfall from another angle. Yeah, that's beautiful. There were people swimming in it. Can't find them now. Maybe from the other side we can see them. Okay. Yeah.